Let's talk about मकबूल then. I mean, एक वो टर्म होता है ना, कास्टिंग कू. एक फ्रेम है, उस फ्रेम में पंकज कपूर, नसीरुद्दीन शाह, ओम पुरी, पीयूष मिश्रा एंड इरफान. I mean, इससे ज्यादा कोई क्या मांग सकता है?
It's the entire National School of Drama kids,
Yes,
students,
yes.
and Irfan was the junior most to all of them.
Yes.
And the confidence with which he sits, and the confidence with which he acts. So मैं मकबूल का 3-4 बार देख चुका था किताब लिखने के time. I started watching it again. That the realization came to me at that point, because what I had done earlier was, when I was writing about when I was researching about the National School of Drama days, तो नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा की वेबसाइट में आप जाइए, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है एक्चुअली. उनका एक पीडीएफ फाइल है, वो खोलिए तो शुरू से लेकर जब से नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा स्टार्ट किया था, हर साल के क्लास में जो स्टूडेंट्स थे उनके नाम लिखे हुए हैं. So you can see when Om Shivpuri graduated, you can see when everybody until Tanishta Chatterjee वगैरह अभी जो recent जो actors हैं शुरू से लेकर
अंजलि देश,
Surekha Sikri, Manohar Sikh वगैरह शुरू के. So that was the list I had been studying again and again, because also उस chapter में मैं identify करना चाहता था कि कौन सी क्लास में है. तिग्मांशु 1-2 साल जूनियर थे, that idea. So suddenly when I started seeing that scene again in Maqbool, after having seen the film 3-4 times before, I was like, wow, this is the National School of Drama repertory in front of you. What a great casting. I mean, this is the hats off to Vishal Bhardwaj, although he took a very long time to decide on Irfan. काफी और characters को सोचते रहे, including at one point he was about to offer it to Kamala Hassan.
But then Naseer Sahab vetoed.
Naseer Sahab.
Why?
By miles ahead, the best interview I did for the book was with Naseeruddin Shah, really, because he's so open. सच्चाई होती है वो ही बोलते हैं.
पर ये मसला क्या था ये नसीर साहब और कमल हासन वाला, कि कमल अगर वो रोल करेंगे तो मैं नहीं करूंगा.
I didn't go deeper into it, but I think Kamala Hassan has I hate to say this, he has a reputation of taking over and not giving enough prominence to, not being, sharing space well with other actors. I've spoken to Rahul Bose. He had acted in that what is that terrorist thriller of Kamala Hassan, जिसमें वो dancer भी है.
Dancer भी.
Kamala Hassan is a dancer, is a terrorist. Anyway, उसके 2 parts थे. विश्वरूपम, हाँ.
दशावतार या विश्वरूपम कुछ ऐसी.
विश्वरूपम, हाँ. So Rahul Bose told me, he said that I had to develop my own character because Kamala Hassan as a director was completely focused on Kamala Hassan as an actor. He said he never once gave me directions. Rahul Bose has that hoarse voice in it and all of those things. He said that was all my doing. I am the one who built the character. Kamala Hassan would just come to me sometimes and say, Mr. Bose. He would call him Mr. Bose. So anyway, I mean, I don't want to badmouth Kamala Hassan because he's a very, very fine actor and he's done some amazing work. But, every actor has their own personalities. And I think Naseeruddin Shah probably would have had. And then Naseeruddin Shah talked to me about how generous Irfan was. एक दो scenes हैं उस film में, वो toward the end, Naseer and Om Puri are in jail, and Irfan's character comes and he puts this gun on Naseer's forehead, and Naseer said to me, he says that there are actors, when they have an upper hand, they would gloat, and especially a junior actor who emulated Naseeruddin Shah, and Naseeruddin Shah was one of the oldest actors. In a scene where you are much more prominent, you're giving much more prominence to Irfan than to Naseer. Irfan could have very easily acted like, ये तो मेरा scene है, मैं actor हूँ. लेकिन Naseer ने कहा नहीं. He was very generous. He would share the shot and the scene with all the actors. He understood. See, the greatness of Irfan was that it was not कि वो खुद अपनी acting करने जाते थे. He was interested in the overall larger picture of how the film was going to shape and how each actor would shape. I mean, I was told by Ritesh Batra, there are some scenes where shoot ho raha hota hai, so I'm speaking and the camera is behind this other actor who's I'm speaking to, and they could quite easily use a double or something. The camera shot is coming over the person's shoulder, but Irfan would want to stand there because he would want the other actor, in most cases it was, of course, Nawaz, to be able to face him. Because then the real acting of Nawaz will also come out when he's actually looking at Irfan Khan, the Sergeant Fernandez. And that was the greatness of Irfan, because he wanted every actor to shine in the films, not just himself.